Welcome to the Daily Message. This week I'm offering some brief reflections on some principles of Catholic teaching that are rooted in Scripture and in our Catholic heritage and tradition, and which have been given heightened emphasis and focus in our day. I've talked about the principles of human dignity and the human rights that flow from that dignity. And today I want to talk just briefly about the responsibilities that correspond with our human rights. So what do I mean? We said yesterday that we have the right to an education. We have the right to be educated. If we have that right, that also means that we have the responsibility to educate ourselves or to be educated to the fullest extent that we are able. If we have the right to make a living, it is our responsibility to do the best we can to try to make a living. So going along with our human rights are corresponding human responsibilities. But we also have a responsibility to ensure that in our society and in the world society, that everyone can live in an environment in which they can exercise their rights. If someone is denied their rights, then they don't have the opportunity to take responsibility for themselves and to take responsibility for their own flourishing. And so human responsibility goes both ways. It is both our own responsibility to fulfill our rights, to exercise our rights, and it's also our responsibility to see that everyone in our society has the ability, has the opportunity to exercise his or her rights. Thank you so much again for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day today. Take care.